appearance.
Hey.
In fact, if I may speak candidly,
I think when everyone has
Yeah, that's right.
one should always be quite candid.
How do you solve a baby's
well,
hiccups?
to speak with perfect candor, Cecily, I wish you were fully 42 and more than usually plain for your age. Ernest has
Oh, there it is again.
He's a very soul.
There it is again. There it is again. Oh, there it is again. Oh, yep. That's right.
It is his brother.
Oh, yeah.
His elder brother.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah.
From my mind, I was growing almost anxious. Of course, you're quite sure.